Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to disconnect MetaMask from Uniswap. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type Uniswap, and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. Now let's see what we have in front of us here. In the top left corner we have, as you can see, Uniswap, Trade, Explore, and Pool. And here in the middle we have the search tokens. And here you can go and swap anytime, anywhere. You can sell and buy your tokens. Get started by clicking here. And in the top right corner, you can go and actually connect your wallet. So firstly, to of course be able to disconnect your wallet from Uniswap, you need to go and connect your wallet. I have my MetaMask wallet connected here. And we of course have another separate video on that topic, how you can connect your wallet, on our YouTube channel. You can go and check it out there. Now, how you can do it? Well, you just need to go into the top right corner, click on your wallet, then click on this button here, top right corner, the, as you can see, shutdown button, and you'll have the disconnect option. Click on it, and as you can see, your wallet has been disconnected. You can now go and again connect and click here. And of course, then again, if you want, connect your wallet. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.